Hey there, it's Allison from Perusall. Ready to jump into the conversation? In this video, I'll show you how to create comments on different course content and give customized replies to your classmates. Let's dive in. To add a comment, highlight text by clicking and dragging your cursor over a section of material.
You can also use the figure highlighting tool to either
Drop a map pin anywhere on the page, or click and drag to highlight a section of the page. A comment bubble will appear on the right sidebar, where you can add your comment and submit. Here, you can customize your comments by playing with text, format, using emojis, or adding GIFs, polls, and links. If you would rather speak your comment, click the microphone icon to enable dictation. Or don't have time for a thoughtful reply? By hitting the thumbs up button, you can quickly let a fellow classmate know you liked their contribution to the conversation. When submitting a comment, notify a specific person or group by using the @ symbol to tag users. A drop-down menu will appear with options to tag everyone in the course or specific people in the conversation. Or if you'd prefer to post a comment anonymously, click the icon here to initiate incognito mode. Editing a comment after it's been submitted is easy. Just double-click on the comment and make any necessary changes. If you'd like to delete a submitted comment, click the trash can icon. It's important to note that a comment cannot be edited or deleted if another user has replied. When someone responds to your question or comment, you'll receive an email notification. Perusall makes it easy to reply, either by logging into your account or responding directly to that email. Ready to jump into an existing thread? Click on any comment or highlight you want to reply to keep the conversation going. You'll view all comments from peers by default, but you can filter which comments are visible by clicking here. Watching a video? Click the plus sign button in the top right of the media player to add a comment. The same goes for podcasts. Your media will pause and automatically link your comment to the current timestamp. And that's everything you need to get started with comments. To learn even more about customizing comments, be sure to watch our video here, or click our logo to see more of what Perusall has to offer.